Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an honest review of TuteDude in 2025, breaking down what it is, its pros and cons, and answering the big question, is TuteDude legit or a scam? So let's dive right in. What is TuteDude? TuteDude is an Indian online learning platform that focuses on skill-based courses, things like digital marketing, web development, freelancing, and personal finance. It is designed mainly for students and beginners who want to earn certificates and practical skills without spending a fortune. They also have an affiliate program, which allows students to earn money by promoting their courses. And that is where the controversy starts. Pros. Let's start with what is good about TuteDude. Affordable pricing. Courses are much cheaper compared to other platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Beginner friendly content. The lessons are simple, easy to follow, and focus on practical examples. Certification. You get a certificate after completion, which can help boost your resume. Affiliate option. Some users have actually earned it through their affiliate program if done properly. Lifetime access. You can revisit the content anytime after buying the course. Cons. Now, here are the drawbacks. Basic level content. Courses do not go deep enough for intermediate or advanced learners. Limited instructor interaction. Unlike bigger platforms, you do not give live mentorship or real time feedback. Overhyped affiliate claims. Some marketing around easy earnings can sound misleading if you expect quick money. Quality varies. Some courses are better structured than others, so you need to choose carefully. Is it a scam? So, is TuteDude a scam? No, it is not a scam. It is legit learning platform, but it is not perfect. The learning materials are real, and users do get certificates. Just do not expect overnight success or huge affiliate profits without effort. Final verdict. In short, if you are a beginner looking for affordable skill courses, TuteDude is worth a try. But if you want in-depth learning or professional mentoring, you might want to explore other platforms too. If you found this helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye, and see you in a new review video.